Oh, this is it, Thailand. Thank you, Lord.
So that when it's dark, up
Philippines.
Hey,
What's in your
shopping
plastic?
haul.
What's in your plastic? White plastic. Okay.
So sa amin tinapay.
What's in your first
Price
white
reveal, all in
plastic?
all,
This
we
is
have
our
three
first
bags.
convenience store out of the country. Okay? So magsimula kayo sa pinakamadami.
May mga tinapay.
Price reveal.
Price reveal, all in all, we have 3 bags. We all, parang nagastos namin parang 375.
Yes, and we have ice cream.
What's in your white plastic?
So we have 3 plastics here.
Oh,
One is my friend.
pera, may pera.
One plastic is my friend.
Oh no!
So all in all, 375 baht. Consists of noodles,
Dami na.
tinapay, snacks, water, and ice cream.
Ito naman ang favorite kong inumin. Tingnan niyo po. Sobra. Nakakaganda ng iski, nakakalambot, nakakabata. Yeah. Lilipad ka na lang doon.
Pagkainom mo, lilipad ka. Sightseeing the day. Look at them. They are
Sila naman yung pumasok, pinuntahan nila kayo.
Bigla nagtagalog.
Yung karepa ng kanila din nga.
Hey!
Always fresh like may nang babali ng leeg. Sasaga sa mga gas na nagkapaasa sa head. Pasensyahan mo baby, di maawat ang bigyan. Sasabi sa palagpanan dito po.
Oh!
Night walk, everyone! Hi! Night walk at Thailand. Dahil ang mahal ng tuk-tuk.
I think it's more happier.
Yes, it's more happier when we are together. Alright? Whenever. And 5 a.m. naka-makeup na.
Good morning! Yes! Bongga! Today's the day! Tilaan lang tayo today. Wala nang masabi. Wala. Kundi thank you, Lord. This is it. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
One more, I take photo to boss to office. 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Thank you.
seats.
Today's the day. Good morning.
Good morning.
International show, honey. Tomorrow.
The pawis is everything. It's in there.
The sweat speaks.
Yeah.
That is success.
Yeah.
Success and for more success.
I did not expect that roaring clap and woo! Yun na, naiyak na.
Yeah.
Watching it from the back was amazing. Watching it from the iMag, which is yun yung papakita sa YouTube, it was world class. So talagang, wow. It's so, it's really very beautifully, right? Sige, mag-pad tayo na tayo.
Thank you sa pagpapad ng pangalan.
Kami rin naman yung mangarap namin. So first out of the country, we showed it na. Wait, o tara na.
Thank you sa pagtutulungan. Thank you, Tigran, for your
Iwan nyo na yan.
Yung opening direct will take it home na po.
Babalik mo na.
So for the closing na rin.
Eh, yung blush on mo.
Magtitira siya for closing. Magtitira siya. Magtitira siya for closing.
Kasi siya, tas
Abot ang closing.
Yes po.
Hindi tagumpay forever and ever.
Thank you. We receive. Pasok buenas araw-araw. At araw-araw kitang mamahalin. Para sa inyo daw, Pilipinas!
Let's go.
Thank you, Saga! Thank you, Saga family. Director.
Thank you, love. Love, thank you, love.
Thank you, babe.
So right now, I'm back here sa Tatlabong airport. I'm going back to Manila for a show. And I'll return here by 15. So wish me luck. Wish me safety, of course, going back to Manila. Yeah. So naka-hand carry lang ako. And now, nakapasok na tayo ng immigration. Now we're heading to the boarding gates. And papahinga naman tayo doon. Okay, we'll see you in Manila. We passed through immigration dito sa Pinas ulit, and we're going back to Thailand with Kuya Chris, Kashi, Tita Kathy, and Tita Chris.
Say hi.
Yan, so this is for the vlog of the grind. At babalik po tayo, ginawa natin Cubao ang Thailand. Babalik na tayo ulit. Let's go. alarma.
Kailangan may direct picture. Group hug. Eh, kasama kayo. Kayo kasama sa
Tagumpay forever and ever! Thank you! We receive pasok buenas araw-araw. Ay, wait lang, may kadugtong yan. Mabuhay ang Digray!
Mabuhay.
Yes.
Mabuhay.
Yes, yun na yung buong libro namin. Yes. Mabuhay ang Digray. Yes, thank you.
Maraming salamat po sa award na binigay niyo sa akin.
Go!
Go. Yes. Kasi look here. Face here.